Okay, let me tell you something. No one shall chase foreigner here in South Africa. Not the dual population, not a patriotic alliance, and not even those much whatever they call themselves. This South Africa is a land of foreigner. Passport or without passport, this is our home. I will not watch the criminal organization abusing our people. It will never happen. This is South Africa. And this is the reason why at the end of South there is Africa, which means Africa, they must unite in South Africa. So who are you to say no, foreigner, they must go where? In Africa. Where do you think they can go? This is our Africa.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. A Nigerian man sends a message to South Africans. Uthi nithi bahambe bayiphi una uthi yena njena akho a South African lete hlukubeda iforeigner under his watch. Uthi ngeke nize nibende fokoli. Uthi nje akanisabi ngeke nize nibende lutho. You guys cannot bully them into leaving this country. Uthi they are here to stay and they are not going anywhere. Uthi South Africa lena kani South Africa is for Africans. Bonke batofika batoda batohlanganyela khona la eSouth Africa ayikho into lento yenda lo bot lo hlezi enda ama video lapha etingolento oqhumana eyakhuluma ngayo lenzaba leyo ukuthi ayibo akukho nje labayakhona asibambeni umoya nje nasithule sihlaleni sibukeleni because bona they are here to stay. Uhlezi enda ama video defending foreigners because obviously he's a foreigner, so uyasho nje ukuthi chu relaxani nje niphole nibambe umoya akukho labaya khona thina nje kufuna sijwayele ukuthi sihlala nabo la South Africa abayenzawo. And the reason why kube khona abantu labakhona khuluma ngalendlela publicly, so umuntu ende video posted ngudlento oqhumana bade ukuthi uyi foreigner ukuthi they know ukuthi they are paying bantu ukuthi baba protect maphoyisa yaba protect, ANC yaba protect, EFF yaba protector. That's why kulula nje for foreigner ukuthi lento video lisho ukuthi lona aliyinzawo enalidlali aliyinzawo qobo. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.